There are a lot of bad words in the English language, but there is one that I think is the worst word you can ever say. I'm Carmen, boss lady of Network 9, and I'm obsessed with your success. I was listening to a podcast whose guest was a well-known writer and speaker. Though the content was very interesting, it was maddening to listen to him speak. Every fifth word he spoke, interrupted the flow with the worst word in any language. Yeah, it's the word I was curious, so I checked in with Webster to see if is a real word, and it is. It means an expression of hesitation, uncertainty, or space filler in conversation. Let's notice that Tolstoy never used once in War and Peace. He filled in the story with meaningful words. In fact, it's never used in literally anything written. It only happens when we talk. As a business person, it's especially risky to use this word because like or expresses hesitation and uncertainty. It is a deadly word to use when speaking about your business. Here's why. Number one, interrupting your story with ums is distracting. 2, it makes you seem less confident. 3, it weakens your authority and credibility. And 4, it's really annoying. There's no vaccine, but there is a cure for disease. First, become aware you're using it. If you need to pause, pause for a second. In fact, pausing gives space and weight to your previous words and brings attention to the next. Second, call a speech doctor. I know one trainer who tosses a piece of popcorn at their clients every time they say At first, there's a big pile of popcorn on the floor, but over time, their disease is cured. Third, practice what you plan to say beforehand. If you know your material well, you won't hesitate as much or need to fill in verbal space. Next time, even in conversation, notice if you suffer from disease. Let's all work to eradicate the deadliest word in any language forever. If you want to tell a more effective brand story, call the boss lady, because I'm hell-bent on creatively guiding companies to win more business.